We already know. Okay, you sure? Hey, it's Holly Reys!
And Reys!
And we're back for another episode of Baking with the Reys. So today, on this beautiful Saturday, we are going to be making some Oreo bites.
That was
Oreos.
a rum.
Huh?
That was a rum.
It was?
Yeah,
Yeah.
I think.
I'm a poet and I didn't even know it.
Yes.
That was also a rhyme.
Yes.
Today we're going to be making some Oreo bites. I love Oreos. They are my favorite.
They are the best kind.
They're the best cookies. They are
Yes.
honestly the best. And you know, when I was a kid, there was this amazing Oreo ad. It was my favorite, where this little boy was sitting with this dog. Mom says chocolate isn't good for dogs, but you can have the rest of my milk. And he gives the dog the milk, and it's just like the cutest. And I used to literally walk around going, Mom says chocolate isn't good for dogs, but you can have the rest of my milk. Like a weirdo.
Did you go around and say
I
that?
did. I was a little weird kid.
Did you do it in public?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Yeah. So you can use original Oreos, you can use the chocolate flavor, whatever sort of flavor you're wanting to go for, you do that. You put that into your Oreo bites. On your marks. Why am I saying on your marks? Like it's a race.
I don't know. Magic.
Let's get baking!
That sounds just lovely.
Some sis love. So now we've broken the Oreos up into little pieces. So what I'm going to do is we're going to empty.
And then I'm going to crush them.
Yep. Girl, let me just, move this out the way because I feel like it's getting a bit aggressive there. This probably would have been a lot easier if we just went in the blender, but I thought being the good sister that I am, and it'll be so much fun for me to like, just put it in the blender.
That was so fun. That was so fun.
But honestly, if you're looking for the easy way out, just pop it in the blender. It is more fun for the kiddies to beat it. Get rid of some of that frustration.
It's hard.
Can you come to there?
Don't be rude.
Oh, smells delicious, eh? Now what we're gonna do is get our tray ready, and then we're gonna pop these into the tray. Should we do that quick? Fast.
Yeah.
Let's do it. Just wanna make
A tiny ball.
yeah, not a big ball. Okay, all
And then lick
done.
the spoon.
You may lick the spoon. There we go. Okay, we're gonna pop these into the freezer for about 20 minutes, and while we do that, we're gonna melt our chocolate, which we'll dunk these into. Okay, so now we're gonna be very careful. I'm trusting you with this job now, because we're using hot water. Can you focus? Okay. So I'm gonna put a bit of hot boiling water into your bowl, and then you're gonna put your bowl in. Just wait for me, please. Don't do anything. I'm gonna put my bowl in. So I may or may not have spilled spilt some hot water in mine. So we will not be doing the milk chocolate today. But that's okay. That's the thing with baking, is sometimes you make mistakes. But you just keep it moving. You know, sometimes it's the big person who makes the mistakes.
It's not even
We're
a-
only human.
It's not even a little soft.
It's horrible. Okay, so our Oreo balls are out of the freezer. They've gone a little bit hard, which is what you want. And now, we're gonna use the white chocolate that Mimi did so amazingly. Because she's such a genius. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna do like different designs. So okay, so we forgot to put the other camera on, but I mean, this is what they're looking like. Managed to, you know, look like cute little truffles. These are mine. Those are obviously Amims's. You can tell. But they're looking yummy. We're just gonna wait for them to set a little bit and then we'll be done. Ready to eat. Okay, so our Oreo truffles are done and they're in the tin. We're gonna store them in the fridge, but we have to eat one now. We have to just taste them and make sure they are as delicious as they look. This one.
Okay.
Ooh, so good. Cheers. I love you. Thank you for baking with me. You are the best sister in the West and in the world.
Okay, I'm gonna count this down.
Okay.
3, 2, 1.
It's so delicious. It just like tastes like Oreo, but like kind of creamy Oreo with that cream cheese. Hope you enjoyed. This was such an easy recipe to make. Nice, quick little video. Huh? Are you so cute?
Not cute.
You are cute.
I'm cool.
Oh, you're cool. Sorry. Bye.